Hello, the adventures of Bobby and Bobby again. We occasionally restore different old items. An old Evinrude motor from the 50s, an Underwood typewriter from the early 1900s, I think it was 1908 or 1909. And now what we have is a very old cuckoo clock. And unsure if it'll ever work. It seems to be all here. Little birdie pops out right there. Chains are all tied up. It says the Swiss Clock Company of New York, New York. Weights, sashes, everything else. A bunch of the trim woodwork. Okay, be right back. The movement seems to be intact. There is a serial number on it. DRGM 329239. This was a 30-hour movement that was granted to Eduard Herr of Triberg in 1908. Doesn't mean it's from 1908. You see the chains are all entangled, but all the teeth are there, and it just needs to be cleaned up. There is some goop on one of the arms in the front, but looking up some of the information on it now, a bunch of the wood pieces, nothing's really rotted. It's just a little dry, and we're going to slowly take it apart and see if we can restore it. Like and subscribe. Any comments or any information that you might be able to give us, please do. Thank you.